Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going on a field trip, so come along. Awesome, thank you. So one of my goals this year was to become a Yelp Elite member, and I did it. So I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of what it looks like to be a Yelp Elite and go to my first event with me. I'm so excited. There's nowhere to park, so we're probably gonna be soaking wet before we get there. Official. Oh, I'll get one of those over there.
This is my life, only you decide.
So as a Yelp Elite member, the way that you become a Yelp Elite member is if you leave reviews on Yelp for different businesses. And it doesn't just have to be restaurants. It could be a vet. It could be, I've left them for hair places. So it's just making sure that you're interactive on Yelp. And then you get to apply to become a Yelp Elite member. They can either deny or accept you. I was accepted. It's not based off of like any kind of Instagram numbers or anything like that. It's strictly your reviews and how active you are. So I was super excited to get that. But then I'm like, I don't really know what to do. So this is the first event that we've gotten to attend. And they do these all the time, but this is not an event that I will leave a Yelp review for, because this is something they're providing all the food and drinks for free for the Yelp Elite members to come. But it's kind of to like showcase a restaurant or a business in the area that then you can share in the community. So if you're in Jacksonville, I think you should check it out. It's in San Marco and it's super fun so far. This could be a great place for team building, for like date night. I could see my son coming here with all of his buddies. Like, I feel like there's something for everyone. Well, he didn't even turn around. This poor quarterback. Let me try right-handed. Switch hitter! So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to my first Yelp Elite event. I definitely had a fantastic time, and I realized that the reason I like it so much is because it gets me out, it gets me doing new things, it gets me seeing things that maybe I wouldn't see before. And then I can give you guys honest opinions and reviews about different places that I go. So thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next time, and see you later. Bye.